Hello, my name is Ernest Jessup, and I'd like to show you a tutorial on the awards portal, how you go about creating an award from scratch. I'd like to point out that I'm using Internet Explorer. That's the old version. That's not Microsoft Edge. And that's due to compatibility issues with SharePoint 2010 and text fields. And I don't want to get into the details, but I'll give you a demo of that pitfall later on in this demo. Okay, and to open up Internet Explorer, you just would have to go to your Start menu and type IE, and the browser should pop up here, and you can use that particular browser instead of the modern Microsoft Edge. Okay, so the awards portal can generate 2 awards at this time. There are plans to expand the inventory of medals and different types of awards. So you start off by selecting from the inventory, and then you click the next button. Okay, we should be faced with the next screen. You just go ahead and follow the step-by-step, fill in the available text fields. So for the sake of this demo, I'll just keep it all default values, the first award. Also, if you needed to check on the number of awards awarded to that particular person, you could also visit the Chief of Naval Operations official website for awards. You may have to do that behind a firewall. I don't believe you can do it from your home computer. Okay, so next up. On this screen, you select the rank. I'll select a senior chief, and the rate. I'll select the Yosemite. Okay, you can also select warfare designator. At the time of this tutorial, only one warfare designator is permitted. However, in the finished product, you can always edit it in Microsoft Word. Okay, as you're completing the fields, you should receive a dialog box at the bottom that shows you your selections. Okay, on this screen, you complete the fields for Jane Doe, excuse me, and your award period. I'd also like to point out that the fields that I'm selecting, they're all editable in the final product. You'll be able to open Microsoft Word and use the document information panel at the top of the Word document, or you can actually enter the fields into the actual Word document itself. Okay. Make sure everything looks good at the bottom. Hit Next. Reporting Senior, you can also edit this. I'm going to leave the default value. Okay, so this is where it gets interesting. So because I'm using a version of SharePoint and the form InfoPath software that comes packaged with it, in Internet Explorer, this field wraps correctly, the field where you're actually going to put your write-up. Okay, so I will copy and paste some text that I have into here, and you'll see that it wraps correctly. Okay, and I still have a few fields left, so I will. I'm just going to reuse some of this. It's not going to read correctly, but this is just for demo until I get the right character count, and you can see I've reached 467 out of 520. But if I did the same thing using Google Chrome, which is here, let's take a look. You'll see that when I paste, and I've just pasted the exact same text. However, I get one long sentence or one long line instead of the wrap. Okay, which is why I recommend using Internet Explorer for now until we migrate to a later version of SharePoint where this doesn't occur. Okay. All right. So next button. All right, on this screen you have the 1650. You can go ahead and populate that yourself, but for the sake of this demo, I'm just going to bypass it. It's not a mandatory document at this time. The award writer will still generate the 1650 for you, and then you can go ahead and fill out the fields. This will save you some time, though, if you have time to fill out these fields. It will save you some time in the end. Okay, you have an opportunity to preview what will be generated by the award writer. All of this All of these fields will be populated into a Microsoft Word document indicated by that icon. Hit Create. Dialog box says the form is submitted successfully, and it should take you back to the Word Writer home screen. If you're wondering what just happened, if you look at the horizontal menu at the top here in the global navigation, there's a My Awards link. If you click on that, it'll take you to your own personal awards library. You can see the citation that was generated based on the form that I submitted. It's here for Jane Doe, as well as the 1650. You can simply open the link, do an edit. Your Office application should launch. You may have to authenticate. If you do, please use your email cert. Okay, and the final product that you'll get from the portal will be this formatted award citation. Okay, so you can go ahead and you can actually make corrections if you enabled editing. If there are any discrepancies from the form, you can go ahead and correct those before you print or route.